What is this address? 4583. Let's see. This one has a ton of Wan Moon Club in it. Barely any zoo. Looks like this one, they sold a bunch of Wan Moon Clubs. Wan Moon Club. Well, let's see here. Okay. First transaction, Wan Moon Club from this address ending in 6A, 3A. 6A, 3A. Are you starting to get the picture yet? I know we went backwards, but I'm gonna flip it around, obviously. I'm gonna flip it around, obviously. Okay, all these little things here, you know, they're getting their zoo royalty. Okay. You know, looks like these tokens were created for the quote unquote game. Okay. Just because there's tokens doesn't mean there's a game. Good way to string people along so we can get some more Wan from our worthless Wan Moon Club. Okay. Now, you know, we're gonna go back the way we came, alright? So, we got contract Wan Moon Club created by this address 6A 3A at the end, created January 26, 2022. Okay. Now we got this address right here. Got this address right here. Hasn't done anything in 14 days. Okay. Nothing. Nothing at all. You know, we got the token balance here, whatever. You know, a bunch of stuff here just to distract you, probably. You know, all these transactions, blah, 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 blah. Listen, we got to the Wan Moon Club address in the first place because it sent this address 2 million Wan Moon Club. Okay? 2 million Wan Moon Club. And then it also sent the same address 50 million Wan Moon Club. Okay? Same address. 6A, 3A. You know, these are all going out to this other address here, which we haven't looked at yet. 865C. And this one here. Oh, what would you know? What would you know? Look at that. Would you look at that? 2 million Wan Moon Club? Why don't we get some POACH? 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 Why don't we drain a bunch of Wan from the liquidity pool? 28, 25, 25, 25. 1, 5, 13, 25, 13, 17, 25, 25, 25, 37, 35, 25. You're getting my point here yet? You getting the point yet? Here yet? Wan Moon Club sus 3. These are probably all the same people. Okay, so this address, it had the Wan Moon Club. We went here again. This CA65, whatever. And let's look at the end here. No activity in about 13 days. This one received the 2 million here. And it's just dumping it all. It's just dumping it, dumping it, dumping it, dumping it. Dump, dump, dump. Let's just take a dump, 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 dump. $14 days, 8 hours ago. Where's this transaction at? 14 days, 8 hours ago. Where is it at? Where is it at? And there it is. Okay, so look. 5 million POACH, not 50 million. Alright? 5 million POACH. $5 million POACH goes out to this burner. 3 million out to this burner. Same burner. I'm gonna dump it all. Get a bunch of POACH, get a bunch of Wan. Alright. This one. 13 days, 19 hours ago. 13 days, 19 hours ago. Let's see where you at, kid. 13 days, 19 hours ago. This one. 10 million? 10 million? 10 million. Where's the 10 million WASP? Where is it? Where did 10 million? That's why 13 days, 20 hours ago now. That's why. Where's the 10 million? Where is it? There it is. Look at that. We got 10 million more Wan Moon Club to sell off. I hope you're getting the picture now here, fellas. Alright, so C, 865C. First they got 2 million Wan Moon Club. Sold it all off. Got some Wan, drained the POACH, drained the WASP. 5 million, not that long later. Let's just sell it all off. Same wallet. 3 million. Oh, let's just keep going. Nobody's gonna notice. Nah, screw it. Let's make it 10 million. We're gonna keep this show on the road. Okay, you know, let's give it a day break. We sold off enough Wan Moon Club for now. Why don't we start a new address? Okay. New address. Let's send it 5 million Wan Moon Club. Okay, here's the one. We got 5 million Wan Moon Club. 5 million Wan Moon Club in. Let's get some POACH. Let's turn it into Wan. Let's do the show. 50, 47, 25, 33, 38, 24, 50, 50, 53, 59, 42, 14, 10 to hut. Alright, you're getting the picture. So this wallet sold out 5 million. Oh, why don't we just send over another 26 million to this address? Now what happened to the 26 million? It seems like an awful lot. Well, it looks like we had some left over. Looks like we had some left over, so we sent it to this one. I wonder what this wallet's doing. Looks like it's selling a bunch of POACH, guys. We got in the Wan Moon Club, we got POACH, 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 POACH. You know what happens when they got a bunch of that? Oh, let's sell it off. 23, 36. 13, 33, 25, 50, 36, 22, 71, 50, 68, 86, 52, 88. Are you starting to get the picture here, fellers? Let's just keep on draining it. We had some left over, though. So let's see. We sent it to this address. Let's just keep on rolling, fellers. Let's just keep the show on the road. We got the Wan Moon Club. Get some POACH. And turning the POACH into Wan. 35, 25, 50, 25, 25, 32, 33, 22, 23, 60, 39, 25, 32, 50, 25, 36, 23, 30, 27, 49, 50, 18. What in the heck is going on here? Looks like we got some Wan Moon Club left over. From all these shenanigans, we still got 15 million. Where's the Moon Club going? Where are we going? Huh. Going to this address. We're gonna get us some POACH. We're gonna swap it. We're gonna get a bunch of wine. 21, 16, 15, 33, 35, 35, 50, 34. And we got anything left over? I don't know. Looks like we're just selling millions at a time at this point. Dump, dump, dump. Dump, dump, dump. 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 Getting all the wine. Getting all the wine from my POACH into the WASP. From my worthless Wan Moon Club. Where's all this wine going from this one? Where is it going? Where's it going? Got this dress over here. You know, more of the same. More of the same. More of the same. Okay. Yeah, so this one got the one with the private transactions. Okay. 1D9F. And just by chance, this one happened to send Netfame 1.45 Wan 7 days ago. Pretty big coinkydink, wouldn't you say? And the only addresses sending anything in here all lead back to the all lead back to the Wan Moon Club seller. Let's see this one. All the same, all the same, all the same. Sell it off, sell it off, sell it off, send it to another one. Drain out some wine, drain it out. Same old story, and then it all leads back to this wallet here, okay? You're starting to get the picture. Okay. The only ones sending it in, okay? But the thing is here, all of the out transactions are private, except for this one. This one transaction. Going back to who? Netfame. Where you at, Netfame? Where you at? DeFi money printer. I'm out.